VR, we're getting pictures of a train that has been parked in Vadodara D cabin yard catching fire. Around 3 coaches of the train caught fire. This was reported around 6:30 a.m. this morning, and the adjacent trains were moved out before the fire was doused. The cause of the fire is now being ascertained. It is currently being probed, but this is the pictures that is coming in from the Vadodara D cabin yard where a train that has been parked there caught fire. 3 coaches of the train, we are getting to know, had caught fire. This has been reported at around this morning at 6:30 a.m. The adjoining coaches and the trains have been moved out before they could also catch fire, but at this point we are getting to know that the fire at the Vadodara train in the yard has been doused with the efforts of the firefighters there. Let me go across to Priyanka now. Priyanka, what exactly was the cause behind a train that has been parked in the cabin yard catching fire?
Well, yes, what we understand is that at least 5 to 6 fire tenders had to reach the spot at the Vadodara train station, where in fact they had doused the fire. We are being given to understand that the fire was caused because of some technical problems in the train itself, is what we're being told by the firefighters. However, there is an investigation also that has been told to be carried out as to how this fire had been caught, because this is not just the first time. There have been several instances in the same exact location where fire has broken out in several areas, not just this time, but in fact 1 week back as well, we had seen an incident the same way where fire had broken out and several people had also been injured in the same. Now the investigation has been carried out, will be carried out by the local police officials and the railway police as well to find out exactly what had caused the exact fire in this.
All right, Priyanka. Now, what about those previous incidents there, Priyanka, as you've been mentioning? What could have actually led to the cause? Because certainly if more and more incidents that are now being reported, this calls for a serious investigation to take place.
Well, absolutely. There have been several authorities who are taking the fire NOC extremely seriously, but even then we are not seeing a lot of implementation of the same on the ground. There have been people who have been flouting, not just in the government agencies, but in private places as well, where fire norms are completely being flouted. Now that the authorities, the VMC, in fact, is going to get more stringent on it and ask for a better NOC procedure as well, which is why we are seeing more and more instances that are breaking out across not just Vadodara but also across Gujarat. And now authorities are claiming that the investigation will also result in finding out exactly what had caused the fire and why are these incidents breaking out every now and then, not just in Vadodara but across the state of Gujarat.
All right, Priyanka, thanks very much for joining in. That is the pictures of 3 coaches that caught fire in the Vadodara cabin parking yard there, where adjoining coaches and trains had to be moved away. The cause behind the fire is yet to be ascertained. Let's move on now.